Have you ever thought about putting your name on the lock screen? Well, there is a workaround using the focus mode and a text widget from a third-party app. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your name to your iPhone lock screen in just a few easy steps. So, let's jump right in. Method 1, create a custom focus mode. Go to Settings, scroll down, then tap on Focus, then click the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, select Custom. After that, give your focus a name with your own name. Select an icon, then tap Next. Now tap Customize Focus. You can customize the focus settings further if you want, but it's not necessary for this purpose. So don't make any changes here. Now go back to the home screen, then swipe down the control center, tap on Focus, and choose the focus by your name. Check your lock screen now. Here you go. I hope you enjoyed this video and customized your lock screen by putting your beautiful name. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to ask something specific, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining in. See you in another video.